Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the detailed requirements to work as a registered nurse in the United Kingdom. If you're a nursing professional looking to pursue your career in the UK, you have come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Nursing Qualification. To work as a registered nurse in the UK, you must first obtain the necessary nursing qualification. This typically involves completing a nursing degree or diploma program from a recognized institution. Ensure that your qualification meets the standards set by the Nursing and Midwifery Council (NMC) in the UK. Step 2. Nursing and Midwifery Council (NMC) registration. The next crucial step is to register with the Nursing and Midwifery Council (NMC). The NMC is the regulatory body responsible for setting professional standards for nurses and midwives in the UK. To begin the registration process, you'll need to provide evidence of your nursing qualification and undergo an assessment to determine if your qualifications meet the NMC's requirements. Step 3. English language proficiency. Since effective communication is vital in nursing, you must demonstrate proficiency in the English language. If English is not your first language, you may need to take an English language test, such as the International English Language Testing System (IELTS) or the Occupational English Test (OET). Make sure to achieve the required scores specified by the NMC. Step 4. Immigration requirements. If you're not a UK or EU citizen, you'll need to meet the immigration requirements to work as a nurse in the UK. This involves obtaining the appropriate visa, such as a Tier 2 General visa, which is commonly used for skilled workers, including nurses. Ensure that you understand the specific visa process and requirements to avoid any delays or complications. Visa categories. 1. Skilled worker visa, formerly Tier 2 visa. This is the primary visa route for skilled workers, including registered nurses, who have a job offer from a UK employer with a valid certificate of sponsorship course. To be eligible, you generally need to meet specific skill and salary requirements. 2. Health and care worker visa. This visa route is designed specifically for healthcare professionals, including registered nurses, who have a job offer from the UK's National Health Service (NHS) or a licensed sponsor in the UK. It may have different requirements and fees compared to the skilled worker visa. Please note that visa regulations and requirements can change over time, so it is crucial to consult the official UK government website or a qualified immigration expert for the most up-to-date information and to ensure you meet the necessary criteria. Additionally, the UK's immigration system might undergo further changes in the future, so it is always advisable to stay informed about any updates or new policies that may impact your application. Step 5. Job application. With your NMC registration and visa in hand, you can now begin your job search. Look for nursing vacancies in the UK through various platforms, including online job portals, hospital websites, and nursing recruitment agencies. Tailor your application to each position, highlighting your qualifications and relevant experience. Step 6. Preparing for the move. If you secure a nursing job in the UK, congratulations! Now it's time to prepare for your move. Research the city or town where you'll be working, find suitable accommodation, and arrange for any necessary documents or paperwork. Working as a registered nurse in the UK can be a rewarding experience, but it requires careful preparation and adherence to the necessary requirements. Remember to complete your nursing qualification, register with the NMC, demonstrate English language proficiency, and meet the immigration criteria. Stay determined and persistent during your job search, and soon you'll be on your way to making a positive impact on patients' lives in the UK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching. and best of luck in your nursing journey.